Hey everybody, this is your girl, Eating with Food for Thought Roberts, and I'm coming to you with a quick Sunday meal. This is Super Bowl Sunday. You wonder what team I'm rooting for? I don't even have a team, and I live in the Bay Area. Bay Area. I live in the home of the Raiders. I live in the home of the 49ers. I live in the home of the A's. I live in the home of the Giants. I live in the home of the Warriors. I live in all that. I don't have a team, but the Warriors are my team. And that's who I do claim. I claim the Warriors. Now, 49ers is playing today, and I think they're playing Kansas City Chiefs. I don't know, but I will root for the home team. Win or lose, I go with the home team, but I don't have a team. And with that being said, let's get to this food because it's Super Bowl Sunday, and I got food to cook. So I'm going to bring the camera over here so you can see what's going on. Okay, we cooking these good today. We got these pinto beans. I was just kind of in a pinto bean kind of mood. So we got the pinto beans going with smoked turkey meat in here. I've got to make sure you guys can see what I'm doing because I don't want you to miss nothing on what your girl is over here doing. OMG. I love me some good beans. Like I said, I got the pinto beans with the smoked turkey meat going. I'm not going to put any seasoning in here right now because I just want these to cook. And then when they get just about done, that's when the seasons are going to go in there. We also are going to be having... We are having tamales. We got some of that good chicken tamales. Did I make them? Heck no. Have I ever made tamales? Heck yeah. I know how to make tamales. Am I going to make tamales anytime soon? Heck no. Not as long as Winco can make them for me. And I got these at Winco. So all the thing I need to do is just steam them on up. And then they're going to be ready. And then we got pork chops and hot wings. I'm going to be cooking me some rice. This is my long grain rice to go with them beans. I normally don't cook rice with beans, but it was a request. My son said, Mama, I want some rice, so I got to fix my baby some rice. And you see we got the chips. We got all the seasonings. I hope everybody's enjoying the game. I hope your team wins. Whether it's the 49ers, the Kansas City Chiefs. I don't even know who's playing. I just know the 49ers is playing. But I hope your team wins. And like I said, I don't have a team. Only thing I know I'm doing is trying to get this food cooked so everybody can have something good to eat. And with that being said, I'm getting ready to put the chicken in the air fryer. I'm ready to get the oil going for these pork chops. And I'm getting ready to get the rice going. And I'm going to put everything else out. We're going to get it in. You want to keep everything as simple as possible. When I do these pork chops, first thing I do is I spray this pan. Even though it's a nonstick pan, I still like to spray. I'm just going to put a little bit of oil in here. So those are the hot wings in the air fryer, and you have to cook them single layer. So once those get done, I'll put the flats in. And then we have the pork chops over here. And I think I have about 8 pork chops, maybe 12, but I'm thinking more like 8 pork chops. So I'm going to get those seasoned up real well and get those ready for the pan. But I won't cook any of this until these beans are almost ready. And what I love about pinto beans, they don't take all day and all night to cook. I got them on a hard boil. So I figure an hour and a half on these beans total, and they've been cooking for approximately 45 minutes. So I have another 45 minutes to go on these beans and the smoked turkey. And I love me some good pinto beans. Oh my goodness. That's my one of my favorite beans in the world. So I'm going to get back. And depending on what's going on at your party, you do not have to take everything out of the bag. For me, these chips these chips, all this is staying in the bag. I'm not doing nothing extra for this. I'm going to leave this stuff in the bag, and we're going to go from there. Or I might just go ahead with the little small bowls, because we do have some small bowls. And that's probably what we'll do, is we'll use the small bowls for these. So I can get these out of the way. The pickles and these olives, oh my goodness. I just love these jalapeno stuffed olives. They are so good. So good. They kind of pricey, because I paid about almost $6 just for the olives. And I think the pickles probably cost what, $2? If they even cost $2. But that's okay. But I'm going to put that in the refrigerator. And that's not going in anything. We'll just stick a fork in there and we'll just come out as we need it. And then the rest of the stuff, I'm getting ready to season up the pork chops. With that being said, I'll holler at you in a second. Even though I'm doing all this good cooking, I still got to make sure I have my apple cider vinegar detox juice. And my apple cider vinegar has the mother in it. Okay, so if you're not doing your apple cider vinegar, you're doing yourself an injustice. Get on your apple cider vinegar game. But then that's another video. So let me get back to cooking this good dinner. I am really into simplicity, and I'm really into adding layers and layers of flavor when it comes to my cooking. Now my son, he got this Tony's. So I guess he was paying attention. And by the way, my son's a good cook too. So I'm going to season this flour up good. So we got the Tony's, we got the garlic. I'm always using garlic. I'm always talking about that layers and layers of flavor. And lemon pepper. That's my new best friend. And make sure when you're doing this stuff that your tops are on good, because I'm about to lose it. This is not coming out quick enough for me. So I'm just going to put a little bit in here like that. My son has a pretty well-stocked kitchen, even though I ran out of bought seasonings. My baby's kitchen is well-stocked. Bless his heart. Okay, we're going to do these pork chops, and I love me some good pork chops. I just got a call from the back. Somebody's hungry. They said, "Mama, can you give me a pork chop sandwich going?" So I said, let me go up in here and heat it up and make sure it's ready to go. And it's ready to go. So I'm going to cook 2 of these pork chops for now, because my baby said, "Mama, I'm hungry." And I'm like, "Boo-boo, I got you." Oh, I love pork chops. Remember, prep. Prep is key to everything. Prep, being ready. Stay ready. You don't have to get ready. And if you have an Instapot, I'm telling you, just like I'm cooking these beans for 2-3 hours max, that Instapot, I had these beans ready in 1 hour and 10 minutes. I'm cooking 1.5 pounds of beans. 1 hour and 10 minutes, those beans will be ready. As you can see, these beans is right next to them pork chops, and they are going crazy up in there. Just put these on. Okay. These probably take about maybe 6 minutes to cook, 6-7 minutes to cook. Pork chops don't take long, especially if they're not the real thick ones. And I do not care for the real thick pork chops. That's what I don't care for. Turn these beans down just a little bit. Come back once I do the flip. I just turned the hot wings on. They're cooking in the New Wave oven, and it says 12 minutes start to finish on the hot wings. We're not cooking them in any grease or anything like that. So that's a good thing. Just did the flip on these pork chops. Oh my goodness. That's what I'm talking about. Flip on the pork chops. Cooking is easy. Cooking is fun. Just get in the kitchen and do it and bring your family in on it, because once they have to get in there and help with the prep, because the cook is the cook. The cook, whether it's a male, female, mommy, daddy, it doesn't matter who's doing the cooking. The prep is what's the biggest deal. Get your prep going. Everything else is easy. People appreciate meals better when they have to get in there and help. If all you're doing is sitting back, waiting for mommy and daddy, mommy or daddy to get the meal ready, you don't appreciate that. Or if you the daddy, or if you the mommy, you don't appreciate that. Because the only thing you want to do is grab your plate, go, and scarf it down in the next 10 minutes. Appreciate the meal. Appreciate the love that went into the meal. Appreciate the person that went out and did the shopping, brought everything back, got everything prepared while you just sit there and just wait. And now the kitchen needs to be clean and everybody else scatters, so they figure, oh, let the cook clean it up. Really? Where they do that at? But anyway, that's another video. Back to these pork chops. That's that good. That's that good all day long. Y'all think that's done enough? I do. My baby's very simple. He said, Mom, I just want bread, mayonnaise, lettuce, any kind of greenery you got. He said, and my pork chop and some hot sauce. So, Mommy's getting ready to take that on back there to him. My 12 minutes is up on this New Wave oven. So these are the hot wings, ready to go. I think I paid $21 for 5 pounds, and it was worth every dime. Okay. I'm going to add garlic in here. Remember, I'm always talking about layers and layers of flavor. Don't skimp on the flavor. Don't overdo it, but don't underdo it. A lot of people like to add salt to their food before they even taste it. They don't even know what the food tastes like. First thing they do, they pick up that salt shaker and they go all in with that salt. Then they wonder why they got high blood pressure. A little cumin. I love cumin, especially in pinto beans. Okay. Just a little bit at a time. You don't want to overdo it. A little chili powder. Yes, I'm putting a little chili powder in these beans. And just a little bit of pepper flakes. That's plenty. We're heating up, brother. Let me see if I can get this over here. Yep, I got my tamales heating up. That's the smoked turkey meat. And the only thing I'm going to do now is just shred it apart. It's been cooking as long as the beans have been cooking. And look how tender that is. Oh my goodness. I love it, love it, love it. Just want to shred it apart and then drop it right back into the beans. Put some Tony's and a little bit of Laurie's in the beans. So they good to go. They don't need nothing but eating. The meat is back in the beans. And when I tell y'all this tastes good, this is so good. I paid about $2.50 for the beans. I paid, I think, $3 for the meat. And then I added the seasonings, the stuff we normally always have on hand, unless we just gonna buy some stuff. So what? $2.50, that's $5.50. I'm gonna say these beans cost a total of $6, $7 max to prepare. Pound and a half of beans. And these beans are all that and a bag of chips. It don't have to be expensive. It just has to be good. So I hope you have enjoyed this little tutorial on what I'm cooking over here for my son and my family for Super Bowl Sunday. Pinto beans, smoked turkey meat, pork chops, hot wings. We got chips. We got barbecue chips, tortilla chips. We got all kind of dips. And that's pretty much the meal, unless I missed something. Oh, tamales. Can't forget them good tamales. These beans are going to go on top of the tamales with some cheese on top of that, and we all good in the hood. Okay? So with that being said, that's my time. I have enjoyed making this video. I have enjoyed cooking for you today. And remember, cooking should be fun. Get your family in the kitchen. Let your family come in here and help you cook. And I hope the lighting is not too bad because I didn't bring any of my lighting with me because I had not planned on doing what I'm doing. But once I start shopping, and once I bought that food up in here, I got the video bug, and the bug said, hey, you better make a video of cooking this food. Don't waste it. Make a video. And with that being said, like I said, that's my time. This is your girl eating with Food for Thought Roberts. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscription button. Hit the notification bell so that the next time I upload a video, you will get the information. And leave a comment in the description bar below. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you're feeling. Let me know if there's something out there you would like for me to make for you so that I can attempt to make it. Because your girl can cook, believe it or not. Contrary to some people's popular belief, I can cook a little bit, okay? And I enjoy cooking, and I'm enjoying cooking for my YouTube fans and family. That being said, I'm out. Hit that subscription button and hit that notification bell, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you and good night, and I hope your team won.